So hello people, Namaste, Sat Shri Akal और आदाब दोस्तों. We are back once again with lot of job openings on this particular channel. थोड़ा देर ही सही दोस्तों, क्या करें, कोरोना के बाद डेल्टा ओमिक्रॉन ये वायरसेस खत्म ही नहीं होते. सो वी टुक लिटिल मोर टाइम बट वी आर बैक वंस अगेन विद लॉट ऑफ जॉब ओपनिंग्स जो करंटली मार्केट में अवेलेबल है, वो नौकरी के अवसर विच कैन गेट यू इनकम. So qualifications, eligibility, little bit of experience will matter, but it will give you a good package or job or an exposure to the industry. So let's go through them one by one. We mainly have around hundreds of openings today in 40 to 50 plus categories and companies. Let's start with them one by one. आप details पढ़ते जाइए, देखते जाइए, and I am putting them here just for you. So the first is companies hiring graduate freshers. They are looking into credit card sales. English is mandatory. Communication. 12,000 is the salary to start. Job location Ghansoli and the number is given here. The next is hiring for e-commerce chat process. A candidate can be a fresher but a graduate. Salary is around 15,000. It is work from office. आज जो भी जॉब शेयर करो मैक्सिमम वर्क फ्रॉम ऑफिस है, कुछ वर्क फ्रॉम होम आएंगे और हर इंडस्ट्री के जॉब्स है ये चैनल पे, वेदर he or she is from accountancy background or maybe MBA or maybe an engineer, pharmaceutical guy or maybe some from a legal background, CS, doctorate, you can say from medical background or lot more, whichever fields are there or existing, somewhere or the other हम connect करेंगे. Also low profile jobs maybe or average profile jobs, housekeeping staff, security guard. Also we are going to touch the hotel management industry also, and somewhere the film category also very soon. So stay tuned till the end of this particular video, and I assure you that you are going to get genuine job openings from an educated person, and sensibly I will speak on क्या क्या openings है और आप अप्लाई जरूर करोगे विदाउट पेइंग अ सिंगल अमाउंट एंड यू कैन गेट अ जॉब. द नेक्स्ट इज हायरिंग फॉर द बिलो पोजीशंस व्हिच आर मेंशन्ड हियर फॉर रिटेल इंडस्ट्री, HR recruiter mainly and HR operations executive. The phone number has been mentioned. Job location Mumbai है. Next is hiring for CRT, freshers or 6 months experience is okay. Customer service, the details are mentioned here. Job location है वाशी. Okay, 12 से 17,000 salary package है. The next is the company is hiring into retail positions once again, HR executive. Okay, they are mainly looking for, and also they are looking for delivery boys. So if you are interested या आप किसी की मदद करना चाहते हो तो इसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेके आप तुरंत पास ऑन कीजिए. The next is the company is looking for people who are into copywriting, copywriters and client servicing executive. The email ID is mentioned here. Do apply very soon. The next is they need store security guard staff, and mainly the salary will be ranging from 20 to 30,000. 12 hours का ड्यूटी होगा, and the locations are mentioned here, Bhiwandi etc. Little bit of computer knowledge, experience वगैरह जरूरी है. Mobile number is mentioned here. You can soon apply. The next is work from office, customer support, 6 months experience or graduate freshers will do. Do apply, but you need to have some good communication skills. The next is urgent opening for Exxon Mobil at payroll of Denev India Private Limited, जो आप यहाँ देख पा रहे हो. Salary is 20 to 24,000 around. Mumbai, South Mumbai is the job location. Thane. Minimum HSC pass, age limit 40. You can apply very soon. The next opening, they are hiring females, girls, and the company is into promoters of cosmetic brand, and they have this many locations: Reliance, Nalasopara West, Kachpada, Malad, Chandra Mall, Dhanu, Goregaon, ISKCON, Ahmedabad and lot more. The details are mentioned. Do apply. But कोई अगर आपको कहीं पे सब्सक्राइब करने बोल रहे हैं, कोई पर्टिकुलर वेबसाइट फॉलो करो, ये करो, पैसे भरो, I would suggest don't do that. On our channel we are sharing things from reference. आप अपने साइट से फाइनली वेरीफाई करोगे. Okay, this is our initiative that we have taken as social cause. अगर आप नए हो चैनल पे तो मैं शॉर्ट में आपको ये बता दूँ. Okay, the next is for web developers. IT person they mainly require BSc IT, MSc IT, graduate, MCA, BCA is also okay. The number is mentioned here. स्वप्निल खड़े, उनको पर्सनली जानते हो, आप अप्लाई कीजिए. Next is graphic designers. They are looking for, if you are interested, do apply again in the email ID or phone number of स्वप्निल खड़े. Criteria mentioned है, read करना फिर अप्लाई करना. बाद में मत कहना हमें कॉल नहीं आता है. ये सब जेन्युइन ओपनिंग्स है, कहीं से कोई वेबसाइट से कॉपी पेस्ट किया हुआ नहीं है. उनको कहीं ना कहीं कोई ग्रुप से या पर्सनली जानकर ही मैं रेफरेंस कंफर्म करके ही वो डेटा ड्रैग आउट करके आपसे शेयर कर रहा हूँ. द नेक्स्ट इज KPO इन कोलकाता. दे आर हायरिंग फॉर द फॉलोइंग पोजीशंस. इफ यू आर BCom, MCom, CA, इंटर. लोग कंप्लेन करते कि मुंबई दिल्ली छोड़ के कुछ शहरों में जॉब नहीं है, तो ये है आपके लिए. डू अप्लाई. नेक्स्ट इज देयर कंपनी इज इनवाइटिंग क्रेडिट मैनेजर्स फॉर लोन अगेंस्ट प्रॉपर्टी बेसिस विद कोटक महिंद्रा बैंक, थाने लोकेशन. डिटेल्स आर हियर. सोन अप्लाई. The next is credit manager once again for Ahmedabad, Baroda and nearby locations. Also for Yes Bank, CA plus 1 year experience necessary. 7 से 10 लाख का पैकेज है. Do apply very soon. The next is a company is looking for a CA fresher in credit manager profile. IDFC First Bank जो आजकल बहुत पॉपुलर है. And the email ID, official email ID is here to apply. The next company is looking for semi-qualified CAs, MBAs and finance, BCom, BAB, BBI, etc. accounts profile. The company name itself is in the email ID. You can apply very soon. Next company is looking for CA 0 to 3 years experience in audit and US tax. Do apply if interested. The next is work from home opportunity. Need some e-commerce accountant with 2 to 3 years of experience. Email ID है आपके यहाँ पे. डोंट इग्नोर इट. डू अप्लाई या स्टेटस पे रखिए, इंस्टा पे डालिए. जहां आपको स्प्रेड आउट करना है विदाउट एनी कमर्शियल बेनिफिट कीजिए. समाज का भला कीजिए. लेट पीपल गेट एम्प्लॉयड. द मनी विल सर्कुलेट. इट विल कम बैक टू ऑल ऑफ अस एंड वी विल गेट टू सी फुल्ली एम्प्लॉयड इंडिया विथ हैप्पीनेस एंड प्रॉस्पेरिटी ऑल ओवर. सो खुशी फैलाइए जो आमदनी या लक्ष्मी घर आने से अपने आप कहीं ना कहीं आ जाएगी. नेक्स्ट इज वैकेंसीज MGB एडवाइजर्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड फॉर BCom, MCom, CMA, CS, MBA, Finance, Accounting, Audit Department and lot more. If interested, get in touch with the following number. Then vacancy for Accounts Executive is here for CA firm which is in Borivali. Criteria are mentioned, email ID is mentioned. देखिए अगर फिट बैठता है आपके प्रोफाइल के साथ, JD और JS जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन और स्पेसिफिकेशन मैच होता है आपके साथ, डू अप्लाई वेरी सून. Next is looking for CA inter CMA having 2 to 4 years of experience. Job location Goregaon, Mumbai. Do apply very soon. The next is a company is looking for BCom, CA dropouts भी चलेंगे. Semi qualified for accounts, for audit, income tax, GST for CA firm, 2 to 3 years experience. Package होगा तकरीबन 1.8 lakh to 3 lakhs. Good enough at this current market situation. Apply कीजिए. Multiple opportunities with CA firm which is here that has been mentioned in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mergers and acquisitions तक. Email ID है. चलिए थोड़ा फास्ट इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ और जा रहा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे 10-12 मिनट में आपका टाइम ज़्यादा वेस्ट किए बिना मैक्सिमम ओपनिंग शेयर करना है. नेक्स्ट इज अगेन फॉर अ CA fresher direct taxation. The job location is Mumbai. You can apply in the given email ID. The next is company is looking for accountant at reputed architect firm in Pune. Okay, so if you are interested, do apply very soon. Vacancies for BCom, MCom, BBA, ICWA, CA, etc. in EY, GDS across all levels. If you're interested, do apply very soon. The next opening is for accountants in Thane area. Okay, which just falls near to Mumbai. So BCom, MCom with 2 years experience, good enough. You can apply. Hiring for backend executive in Mumbai, Borivali area, 2 years experience, Excel can say in Microsoft Excel or PowerPoint and Microsoft Excel, PPT, Word, etc. Do apply if you have some experience. Real estate companies looking for CAs who have good experience. Borivali is the location. The next is immediate joiners for the RCM designing and testing assignment. If interested, to apply. Vacancy in ICICI Bank. People ask for bank job. CA freshers, MBA finance, pan India है. Apply कीजिए तुरंत and crack the job. And then let me know that you have got a job. I'll be very happy. CA urgently required for taxation. अंधेरी लोकेशन है. 6 से 7 लाख पर annum उनका पैकेज होगा. L&T, Lawson and Dobro. What can be a best job for apart from this? L&T Finance is looking for profile which is here. Do apply if interested. Immediate joinees needed for evening shifts, Saturday, Sunday off, HSC graduate, etc. for a KPO which is in Andheri. If interested, do apply very, very soon. The next is IIFL is hiring for gold sales manager and gold loan. MBA के बाद मैंने IIFL के साथ काम किया, बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था. If interested, do apply. उसके बाद आदित्य बिरला फाइनेंस and then colleges and then some industry. UBS Forum, whom I know personally, जो मीरा भाईंदर में ऑपरेट करते थे, अब गोरेगांव में उनका ऑफिस है. If interested, the details are mentioned here. For internship also students can apply and get in touch. एक बीच में बता देता हूँ. Origin HR is looking for HR executives. If you are interested, then I'll be sharing its opening either here at this point of time, yeah, at the end. Do apply into it very soon if you are an eligible candidate for the same. Communication अच्छा है, recruitment में interested हो और HR में अपना career बढ़ाना चाहते हो. Next company is looking for an out of the box thinker, creative person who will be a good speaker. The details are mentioned here. You can apply in this very soon. The next is for an IT guy who can be a web developer, can work in Andheri location. जहाँ आ सकते हैं 1-2 साल एक्सपीरियंस, 20 से 25 हज़ार सैलरी होगा. स्वप्निल खड़े once again. Next is staff requirement at hotel management industry as an Indian chef, Chinese chef, helper, waiters and so on. If interested, apply. The next company is hiring as the company's connections. They are hiring for the role of business analyst, MBA in finance, BE, 2 to 5 years experience. Bangalore is the job location. Finally, coming to the end of this particular day and video with lots of job openings, a company who is looking for supplier onboarding for Meesho. 2 years experience in e-commerce, HSC pass or graduate will do. 5 to 6 lakh is the job package. The next company is mainly looking for surveyors for a German multinational company who are basically into finance. So if you are interested, the details are here. You can apply into it very soon. Apart from this, अगर कुछ extra job openings मेरे पास है, so मैं जरूर यहाँ पे end में आपके लिए डालूंगा. I'll put it and see to it that you get maximum help from this particular channel. I'm a faculty in a reputed institute, College of Mumbai, and I'm a guest faculty in many of the colleges where I go and deliver my sessions on jobs, placements, marketing being my core area, or economics being my core subject, logistics and supply chain. Apart from all these things, we are doing this as a social cause. Our team, back-end team है जिनसे मैं बहुत जल्दी आपसे इंट्रोड्यूस करवाऊंगा, and we are doing this just for a social cause because बहुत सारे साइट्स है, कंसल्टेंसीज है, बट तब वो कहीं ना कहीं ग्राउंड लेवल पे लोगों की रिक्वायरमेंट मीट नहीं कर पा रहे. तो हम विदाउट एनी घुमाना फिराना डायरेक्ट वो जॉब्स लाके दे रहे हैं ईमेल आईडी और डायरेक्ट कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर्स के साथ, थ्रू विच यू कैन गेट अ परफेक्ट जॉब विच सूट्स योर रिक्वायरमेंट, जो आपकी जरूरत को पूरी करे. बाकी मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगा ये शानदार जॉब्स है, बाकी आप मेहनत करोगे, अप्लाई करोगे और खुद के लिए एक जॉब हासिल करोगे. दैट्स व्हाट वी वांट फ्रॉम यू टू डू. बाकी मैं आपके जैसा ही काम इंसान हूँ जो आउट ऑफ हिज प्रोफेशनल वर्ल्ड ऑफ टीचिंग, having knowledge of such world, I try to give you the maximum out of whatever knowledge, information, updates we have. Do read newspapers on daily basis. Do apply in various jobs that you get in genuine newspapers and make your career as best as possible. All the best. Take care of yourself. Namaste दोस्तों, सत श्री अकाल और आदाब.